Morning again, time for some more maths. So today your maths learning is more place value practice, and you're starting off with word problems, which you're going to be absolutely fine about. But the challenge today is a midpoint challenge, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So I want us to think about what we're actually doing when we find the midpoint of a number. Okay, so we're going to do some first. What's the midpoint between 4 and 6? Really simple one, halfway between 4 and 6, we know is 5. Shouldn't take too much trouble over that one. Midpoint between 0 and 10. Also 5. What about the midpoint between 20 and 80? How do we work that one out? Well, the difference in total is 60. So let's put that there. Half of that would be plus 30 and plus 30. So our midpoint is going to be 50. So that's one way of finding midpoints. You can work out the difference and halve it. But there's actually a really much more simple way. When we find the midpoint, we're actually finding the mean of those two numbers. It's the number they would both be if they were equal, if they were divided into, if those numbers were equally shared out. So how would we find the mean of 4 and 6? Well, to find the mean, you add them together. And then we've got two numbers, so we would divide it by 2, which gives us 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. Does that also work for 0 plus 10? 0 plus 10 divided by 2 gives us 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. We could do those off the top of our head, but what about this one? Let's just double check. 20 plus 80 divided by 2. 20 plus 80 is 100, divided by 2 gives us 50. So when you're calculating the midpoint, calculate the mean of the two numbers, add them together and divide by 2. It will make your life much simpler. That's my top tip of the day, guys. Nothing for maths tomorrow, it's an arithmetic challenge. See you soon. Bye.